Hi there, this is Chanakya Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, if you remember one of the great speech of John F. Kennedy, the President of America, who was assassinated, who was victim of violence, but throughout his life he always remembered that the humanity can only be living in peace, harmony, joy, serenity if there is wisdom in the mind, and the thought of peace, thought of joy, thought of happiness, thought of love has to be planted perennially in every citizen of the world's mind. John F. Kennedy said, the war is not the solution of any problem. Greed, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts is not the solution of any problem. The solution of the problem was only love and harmony and right understanding, because everything is based on the absolute and undeviating rule of cause and effect. If there is disturbance, chaos, catastrophe in this world, it is because of the ignorance. And that said Gautam Siddhartha Buddha. Greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, cynicism, these are all emerging from the one point that is called foolishness, ignorance, indulgence, stupidity. So if you want that the world should be peaceful and every bird, beast, animal, plants and humans learn to live in harmony, then there will be a better world for everyone. And for this I have the solution, but that needs lot of dedication, lot of commitment from the people in the power, because you have to start from the scratch. You have to start from the scratch. The children have to understand the meaning of peace. They have to be taught the values of peace, joy, happiness and serenity. If the children are not learning this, there is no chance that then can be harmony and peace in this world. You see, recently in France, there has been a wonderful laws made to really correct the people who are deviants, who are miscreants, who have learned in the childhood destruction, destroying, killing, massacring, assassinating, cutting the throat of the human beings just because they have intolerant mind. They are not rightly trained and educated. So what I mean to say, if every child is taught right from the childhood, the noble thoughts, the pure thoughts, that is truth, justice, peace, love and non-violent way of living life, kindness, compassion, cooperation, then they will be a great human being. They will be Abraham Lincoln. They will be John F. Kennedy. They will be Gandhi. They will be Chanakya Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. And I see there are a lot of Nobel laureates of peace in this world, but they did something, but they have not achieved the goal of maintaining law and order and absolute peace in this world. They got some money, they got some name and fame. Beyond that, they are shut up. They have shut their mouth. They don't hear. They don't see what is happening in the world. So I tell the heads of the government, start from the childhood, training the children in the right frame of mind. That is, love all, respect all, care for all, share for all, be enlightened and educated, understand the value of peace. And that has to be developed by altering the thoughts. Even to my sisters and brothers in India also, you see there are a lot of men and women who is against the government that is based on greed. They want their power, they want to come in the government, they want to destroy the peace and harmony, dividing the society on the basis of caste and creed and race and religion, just to come in the power. And when they come in the power, they are looting the country, they are robbing the country, they are pillaging the country. You see in India what is happening. All the oppositions, they unite together and they want to destabilize the government of Narendra Modi, one of the saintly men of India. I don't know everything, maybe he is doing also some mistakes, but 99% he is a good man and he really loves the citizen of India. But you see how the oppositions are united together. They want to destabilize the country and they are inviting the foreign invaders to really create chaos and confusion and really break the unity, integrity, the sovereignty of the mother nation. So bottom line, heads of the state of every country in the world, near about 199 countries, educate the children. Educate the children the value of peace, the value of love, the value of being enlightened, the value of living in perfect harmony with joy for everyone. Kindness, compassion, non-violent attitude. We can have disagreement because nobody knows the absolute truth, but that disagreement has to be really understood, and we should always focus on truth. Thank you, viewers. Maintain peace, law and order by educating the children. That is the bottom line. Thank you.